recipe is going to be a big fat hit. It is time to try warm black bean dip. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 garlic clove, minced. Put this garlic in here. A cup of black beans, and I got the Goya brand, and drained and rinsed them. About 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Secure lid. It says pulse, and then scrape down the sides and bottom. Now it does not say what speed to do that on, so I'm just going to assume that it's the max, and we'll see. I mean, as you see, it does not pulse very well with what's in it. Do that. Scrape it, and then let's pulse it again. Obviously, it still is not. Pulse it for the time, and then at the end, scrape it down. So I'm going to pulse it, no matter how difficultly it chugs along. I'm going to let it pulse for the full 40 seconds, and then I'll scrape it down. All right? And this is what it looks like before the soup set in.
Wait, is now where I come up and mention that this thing sucks at making things that aren't just very liquidy?
Did you say liquidy?
Liquidy.
Like the applesauce.
Did I mention that it's liquidy?
Liquidy?
Silent liquidity?
Okay. Soup.
I'll leave you to it.
Soup 2. Wait. Soup 2. Adjust time to 12:21. And when the display reads 7, press cancel. Apparently it got up to 212 very quickly because it is 6:43 and it's already counting down. I don't know how it's supposed to turn into the bean dip when it's not going to a pulse setting, but we'll see. This doesn't even feel hot. Why does it not feel hot? It's supposed to be hot. Why is it not hot? I'm thinking that if he ate this right now, he would be very disappointed. this recipe is going to be a big fat fail. We'll lay the picture. It doesn't even feel as warm as it I think it should feel. I don't understand what's going on there, but should I have them eat it as is? I think we're just gonna have them eat it as is. Because I did exactly what the recipe said, except for I posted there at the end a little bit. I'm having a feeling. I want him to taste test this and see what he thinks. Hey, honey! Taste test!
I kind of hate to waste a chip.
What if it's really, really, really good? I will stop this.
You can see the green stuff floating around in it.
Yeah. That's called cilantro. Come back on Wednesday when he tastes the bean dip. Oh, and also, we might try to make it again because I think I did something stupid when I was making it this time. Check out this extended cut scene. This will be the first time I use this, and I want to see how well it works, so I'm going to use it on camera. So I'm going to put the clove of garlic right in there. Oh, I did myself a favor and bought this bag of fresh peeled garlic too. Alright, so let's see if I can get this to work. Now, I need something that it can go in so that I don't, because that would be bad. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so it didn't let loose of the thing. Let's see. We'll go ahead and put this garlic in here. I'm going to see if there's any garlic left on the inside. So there is. It did not do a very good job. Now, I don't know if that's user error or not, but anyway, I'm going to try to get that off there. Look. I don't know if it'll focus on it or not. It's not. Anyway. That's all I wanted.
All of that.
Uh-huh.
I just spent like 10 minutes rearranging this tripod.
And guess what?
For that?
Yep.
And now I get to put it all back?
Well, this is going to go in the blooper section, this is part of us talking.
But they're missing the expression I'm giving you right now.
They can imagine it.
Oh, I don't think so.
Okay, it's not. And remember, if you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you later.